I don't think the Chinook's going away, boys. Pretty sure. Pretty freaking sure, boys. Check this out. What's this? Well, if you ever wanted to have a good time, just live in Canada, boys. And it's not even started, barely started, even Canada started yet. And friggin' all my shit's dead, won't start, totally dicked, fucking.
Okay. I got a red dot now. Weird, I got a red dot on here now. Uh-oh. Oh, I don't know if she's fucking
Overheating? Oh yeah, the lines are just hot. Feel that?
Oh, shut up.
And flashing. Not good. Oh, well, see what happens? See what happens when the Chinook comes inwood, boys? Hope you're happy. Okay? So we gotta get the fucking charger out and the extension cord and my Gucci box is really good. What is this? Why is the transmission fluid?
I thought I saw that. Yeah.
What's going on here, boys? Don't tell me we're hauling the fucking engine and transmission out of this thing and putting a 5.9 turbo Cummins diesel into it. We ain't got no time for that right now.
Oh.
Oh, leave her on charge for 16 or 42 days and see what happens. I wonder what kind of, that looks like kitty. Looks like it would be kitty tracks. Kitty, kitty. Take a bite out of the rabbit, probably. Speaking of rabbits, the friggin' bunny rescue that, you know, I mean, Dorothy came from here, but we called the bunny rescue to, you know, come and save her, and then they came and got her, but nobody wants to rescue bunnies anymore or something, so we just took her back and she lives here now. But yeah, some asshole, like, it's been like minus 14, minus 25, freezing friggin' cold out. Some goof let their pet bunny go around Strathroy area, and a cat or something got it, so it's all rear ends all mangled up. So then now it's rescue, or it's at the rescue, but it's looking for a, you know, a home. Floppy-eared gray type of bunny, nice little friendly pet, you know. Let it outside thinking, oh, it's a rabbit, it's a wild animal, it'll just live, it'll just survive outside. No, it won't. It's a pet. It has no idea how to survive outside. It doesn't just know that after being born into captivities, you know what I mean? So very much not cool, like really bad, not cool. Like you're just a murdering goof. Yeah, I don't know, it's been charging for about 11 days. So we'll see if that's enough. Turn it up to 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. Good grief. Just scrap metal. Holy suffering. What's that, burning transmission fluid or something? Crying out loud. Diabolical. Let's see if the Grumman will start with no glow plugs or radiators. Fuck yeah, it's winter, buddy. You love that. You love winter so bad. This is fun. You're having so much fun right now.
Oh yeah.
Woo, woo. Oh man, need a shovel. Good luck getting it out of the back of that frozen cocksucker. Good thing. Holy shit! What the fuck is that? Out of this fucking thing. That's so fucking cool. That's so cool. Oil or something, I don't know. Holy fuck. I remember when Big Dirty shit all the oil out. Yeah. Oh, it's just pouring out of this cocksucker. From where? Unreal. Something's just blowed right up, boys. Awesome. That's fucking awesome. Yeah. Just fucking puking out of this thing everywhere. Fucking awesome. Yeah, the whole manifold frame. Oh, that's fucking cool. Yeah, I don't know. Look at her, it's just spraying everywhere. Oh, I apologize that I tried to start you. Ha! My mistake. I'm a fucking mistake there, buds. Wow, that's pretty cool. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe the Red Dragon. Pull all the Red Dragon shit out of it, put it in this. I don't know, but wow, that's fucking horseshit. Can you imagine? Can you imagine in your whole life? That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's what happens when you buy a Ford. Should have known better. Just a fucking idiot. Hey, look at me. Big dumb goof, boys. Buy Ford. Stupid idiot. That's how you know. Oh, you want to know if you're a stupid fucking idiot? Look in your driveway. Hey, that's how you can tell. Pretty good chance. Pretty good chance. There's pretty good ways you tell, boys. Sorry about that. Inconvenience or anything. Well, I fired it back up and drove it onto the hoist. And, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm sure it was dripping. It's got a few drips coming out of it now, but I mean, it was just, you seen it? It was just hemorrhaging. I drove it out here. Like you would think it would just be puking oil, right? I don't see any oil dripping, like, you know, running out. I don't see even any drips. I drove it out there, I backed it up. Drove it back here. Like, no, you know, is it the oil so thick? I mean, the oil is like thick, right? Like, so is it that? Is it like it's got like a, I'm gonna barf all the oil out because it's too thick scenario going on here, or what? Don't make me haul this fucking thing out of there, boys. You know, 2 drips. 2 drips.
compared to a puddle.
Shoot, yeah, compared to just streaming out, so.
Yeah, Pacific Ocean side puddle.
Right. So, you know, I gotta keep my shit started. My batteries will be dicked. I guess I could just take the batteries right out, but, you know, whatever. See how this guy does. No grid heater, boy. I should put you on the other side, though, so you can really sant the chooch. Holy fuck, she's slippery there, boys. Hang on to her. Don't step there too much. Kill yourself.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Unless you want me to do it and get another funny video.
What's more better, boys? 7.3 or 5.9? You tell me in the comments. I beg to differ. Okay? Sorry about that. No grid heater at all in this either. This has got 8 glow plugs for fuck's sakes. Oh, Lord. What a pile of shit. It's pretty much winter though, I'll tell you that. Let's listen to that, boys. Nice. We're only working rig right now, boys, so I think we're smoking cigarettes. Oh, shit, the bird's not really too not really that warm. Fucking sweet. Still got 60 PSI in here, boys. Well, this engine's got to come out. Real good. Good. Fucking right, boys. 5.9 turbo Cummins diesel, boys. 7.2 no gap. Look at this, turn around for 3 minutes. What's happening right now? But yeah, I don't know, boys. Anybody knows about that? Maybe the oil's too thick and it's just hemorrhaging out somewhere. I don't know. You can't see anything in there without hauling half the engine apart, so that's one point. Plus, see this part where there's like ice and then there's snow on top of it? You're bound to get killed. Hey, like it's gonna kill you one way or another. You know, so yeah, I don't know, boys. Maybe the engine transmission, brand new transmission transfer case in this unit here, right? 300 some thousand on the what's it? Oh shit. Oh, where are we looking? Just looking over here. These guys right here. This is what we need to bring in. This is not good. Try to tip the dump trailer so it drains. Nope. Frozen water down. Totally dicked. Oh, do we get more good stuff? Oh, we got a micro words on a printer. And a friggin' sound bar. Oh, we got all type of goodies in here, boys. Nice! All type of goodies. Should shovel a walkway over to it, eh? That way the patrons have a nice path-ward, if you will. That'd be so wholesome.